May 15 is going to be a critical day for investors. The reason is simple. The latest consumer price figures from the US will be published at 1:30 p.m. London time. Economists predict that headline inflation will increase by 3.4% annually, while core inflation is going to increase by 3.7%. So what markets am I looking at? I'm looking at the Nasdaq 100 and the Australian dollar versus the USD. If you take a look at a Nasdaq 100 chart, you will see that the index has risen sharply over the last couple of days without any strong correction. We're also just 1.7% away from its all-time high. So the upside is limited and the downside is great. So if we have a hotter than expected inflation reading, it's very likely we'll have a stronger correction. In the case that the consumer price index is lower than expected, then I would focus on the Australian dollar versus the USD. And the reason is simple. The Australian dollar is stuck in an inverse head and shoulders pattern. And if we break above 0.6650, this pattern will be activated. And the pattern suggests that the Australian dollar can move upwards with roughly 250 pips. What's also interesting is that last week we had the RBA rate meeting where they were hawkish. Compare this with the United States and the Federal Reserve, where the markets anticipate at least one rate cut before the end of the year. And the inflation reading tomorrow will let us know if the probability of that will increase or decrease. And that is why tomorrow is an important day.